Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an incredible tutorial for you. We'll be walking you through how to create a slow DNS server and set it up on the NPV Tunnel VPN for fast and secure browsing. This method ensures you're always browsing safely while getting the best internet speeds. But before we jump in, if you're new to our channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. And if you're looking for more hidden VPN tricks, make sure to visit our blog. Link is in the description. Now let's get started. First things first, open your web browser and in the search bar, type UDP Custom and hit enter. In the search results, look for the official UDP Custom website and click on it. This is where we'll be creating our slow DNS server. Once you're on the UDP Custom homepage, you'll notice a menu button, typically located in the top corner of the page. Click on it, and you'll see a list of options. From that menu, select Slow DNS Server. This is the option we need to create our DNS server. Once you click on it, you'll be taken to a page where you can choose your server location. Go ahead and select your preferred server location. After that, you'll be redirected to the account creation page, where you'll need to enter your username and complete the CAPTCHA. Once you've filled everything in, click the Create Now button. In just a few seconds, your slow DNS server details will be generated and displayed. Make sure to take note of these details, or simply copy them as you'll need them in the next steps. Now that we have our server details, let's move on to setting up the NPV Tunnel VPN. First, make sure you have the latest version of the NPV Tunnel VPN app. If you haven't installed it yet, head over to the Play Store, search for NPV Tunnel app, and get it installed. Once the app is installed, go ahead and open it. You'll land on the home screen. From here, click the Servers button located at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to a new interface. In the top right corner, you'll see a plus button. Click on it to expand the menu. Now, click on the Add Config Manually button. A new window will open where you'll want to click on the SSH Config button. This will bring you to another page where you'll select your protocol. From the list, select SSH DNS TT. Next, it's time to input the details we copied earlier. Enter the host, username, and password, and use Google's DNS 8.8.8.53. You'll also need to give the server a name and input the public key. Once all of your data has been successfully added, head back to the home page and click the Connect button. This will establish a secure web connection using your slow DNS server. And there you have it. You've successfully created and connected to your slow DNS server using the NPV Tunnel app. This setup ensures fast and secure browsing, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you